In this video, you will know how to use the pregnancy urine card at home. Do this test as soon as you wake up with the first urine sample. Open the pregnancy test card and place it on a clean flat surface. Use the dropper and drop 2 drops of urine in the sample application window. Wait for at least 5 minutes for your result. If you get only the control line, the result is negative and you are not pregnant. However, if another line appears next to the control line, the result is positive and you might be pregnant. If you can't see a control line, please discard the kit and use a fresh one. Ensure that the kit is not expired for accurate results. If you have questions or queries, please write to us at care@humainhealth.com. If you like this video, please share them with your friends. Do subscribe to Humain Health's channel and stay tuned for more pregnancy-related videos.